In this video I'm gonna quickly teach you how to make a zoom transition in After Effects, making a new tutorial for each day of the year, day 50 of 365. We have our two videos here that we want to make zoom transition. It could be an image too. We have to add a adjustment layer. Press Ctrl-Alt-Y and here you have your adjustment layer. Now let's add the effect transform. So this will allow us to change the scale of both videos, image or whatever, and go here to the middle where it changes from one video to another. And let's go 5 keyframes back. So move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now make a keyframe here for scale, go to the middle and increase the scale to 300. Now go 5 keyframes forward and change scale to 100 again. Now we have this effect for now. Let's grab all the keyframes and ease them by pressing F9. Now go here to the graph editor and make sure you are in the speed graph. So click here and this should be set to speed graph. Okay, now select the first keyframe and move this all the way to 100%. Do the same thing with the last keyframe and move it to 100%. And now select the middle keyframe and move this to 0 and this side too. Now we'll have this motion, and to add a motion blur we have to increase the shutter angle all the way to 360. But you will see there's no motion blur yet. That's because we have to uncheck this box. So now we have this effect. But if we go here to the middle, you'll see it's not blurry, it doesn't have motion blur. So select all the keyframes and move them 1 frame back like that. And now the effect is done. You can also grab these keyframes, copy them with Ctrl-C and paste them in another time with Ctrl-V, and it will work again. So you can just trim here this layer and you'll see it will work. So you can also make a preset of this. I made a preset, you can download it in the description. There's also a how to install video, so you don't have problems by installing the preset. You can just create a adjustment layer and search the preset here, zoom transition. Just add these presets, press U to see the keyframes, move them, and there you have the effect done. So that's all for today's tutorial, and I'm gonna see you in the next tutorial. See ya!